Hello and welcome to another update video about VeChain. VeChain is still in Fibonacci support. This is the long-term chart where we're tracking a possible reversal which could start in this region, but we haven't seen any evidence for it. I mean, the only thing is we have seen a decline. So first of all, a 5-wave move up into the March highs from the low, and then a pullback very deep into support. But for the last few months we've been holding this Fibonacci support area, and if this really is a wave 2 to the downside, which is a corrective pullback after a first 5-wave pattern to the upside, which indicates a series of higher highs and higher lows, well, if this really is a corrective pullback, then we should see a reversal before the price breaks and sustains below the 1.82 cent level. From here we could then rally in either a third wave or a C wave. The yellow count obviously would be bearish and we would break down from this resistance area, but we would need to see how the price reacts to Fibonacci resistance, which is located between the 50% and the 78.6 retracement. Yeah. So if we get, first of all, let's see if we can get the reversal done. And if we can, then the next key pivot to watch, the next resistance area to watch, is the red zone between 6.17 cents, yeah, and 14.7. And if we reversed from here, which is not a guarantee, because, and also there is actually no sign it started, it's only that the downside momentum is slowing down, and the movements from the last low are pretty ugly, but we know that cryptos love to start rallies from ugly bottoming structures. But if we really move up from here, then we would be watching for the 100% Fibonacci extension to be reached. It's located at 7.8 cents. It's the 100% extension. It's a C-wave target, yeah, C-wave 100% extension, ideal target, yeah. Can go higher, yeah, but there, as you can see, there is some confluence probably around these two Fib levels, around 6 cents and around, yeah, 8 to 9 cents. So I would pay attention to these levels. The market did also, and that is something potentially interesting, broke above this trend line, broke out, hasn't broken below it, and I go to the 4-hour chart now, or 6 hours, whatever, 4 hours, 6 hours, let's go maybe just to the 4-hour chart. And you see we broke out above it, and the problem is it's only a corrective rally, but we broke above it, retested. The problem is though, it hasn't broken out to the upside yet. So we broke above the line, fell back, and now we just need that next step, which would be a break above the last high at 2.7 cents. At the moment, it's simply a sideways consolidation, but we're now above the trend line, but without any strong buy reaction to the retest. So this is what I'd like to see. If there is another low, the 1.8 cent level should be next support, and ideally, to maintain an overall bullish perspective, the price shouldn't break below it. Okay, if it happens, then we would enter this ugly no man's land phase where we're not entirely sure, you know, and the market pretty much hasn't really committed to a reversal, and you know, it's just because below the 78.6 Fib level, probabilities reduce for upside reversals, but it's not invalidated. The invalidation point then is this red line here at around 1.35 cents, which is the low from June 23. So to keep an overall bullish perspective alive, ideally we hold above 1.8. The red area here would be no man's land, not really bullish anymore, but also not yet bearish really. Okay, this is like very, very balanced probabilities, but already shifting towards the bears. And then, yeah, below 1.35 cents, we have formal invalidation. That's the update about VeChain. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.